Ever wondered how an aromatherapy garden could enhance your living space and overall wellness? Picture a garden teeming with fragrant flowers, aromatic herbs, and soothing plants. This is an aromatherapy garden, a trending feature in modern homes that takes gardening to a whole new level. It's more than just a visual treat. It's a holistic approach to wellness, offering a natural, delightful, and therapeutic environment right at your doorstep. So, what plants can we use to create our own aromatherapy garden? Let's dive in. Creating an aromatherapy garden requires careful selection of plants. Not just any plant will do. It's all about choosing the right scented plants that can contribute to your overall relaxation and wellness. Let's start with lavender. This plant is not just famous for its stunning purple flowers, but it's also known for its calming properties. The scent of lavender has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a peaceful sleep. Moving on, we have rosemary. This fragrant herb does more than just flavor your dishes. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to boosting memory and concentration. Inhaling the aroma of rosemary can stimulate your mind and keep you focused. Lastly, let's not forget about jasmine. This plant is a real mood enhancer. Known for its sweet, intoxicating scent, jasmine can uplift your spirits and even act as a natural antidepressant. Each plant, with its unique aroma, contributes to creating a serene and healing environment. Imagine stepping into your garden, the air filled with a symphony of these delightful scents. It's like having your personal spa right in your backyard. With the right mix of scented plants, you can transform your garden into a therapeutic haven. So, are you ready to embark on this aromatic journey? Cultivating your own aromatherapy garden can not only be a fun and therapeutic hobby, but it also adds a touch of natural beauty to your home. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!